Hello. In this video, I'm gonna explain how to fix a Windows error called 0xc0000142, also called application failed to initialize properly. If that problem occurs in your case, then it's most probably because you have some corrupted or missing system files. And fixing it isn't too hard. First, you'll need to do the first step. There are going to be 3 steps. And after each one of them, the problem may already be fixed. So it's worth checking if the problem still occurs after the first step, and if not, if it still occurs, then try doing the second step, and so on. So we'll need to first open CMD. You can either do it with search option by typing in CMD, then run as administrator, or you can also click on Windows and R on your keyboard, type in CMD here, then click on Ctrl-Shift-Enter to run it as administrator. Now, type in SFC, like that. I'm gonna zoom it in because you may be watching it on a small screen. So let's zoom it in. Okay, SFC space / scan now. And here without space, like that. Click on enter, and it'll start scanning for system files. It's verifying my system files, so it may take a moment, and I'll get back to you when it's finished. The verification is complete, and in my case it says that Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations. And if in your case it did, then it should be able to fix it. And now, if it has actually done something, you may want to reopen the app that caused this issue and see if the problem still occurs. If it still occurs, let's go to a browser and update something. We'll need to update Visual C Redistributables. So search for that. Visual, you can see I have it in my search, in my late search. This is the name here. I'm also gonna zoom it in so you can see it a bit better. Okay, we have it, we know everything now. Let's go to the latest let's go just to the Microsoft website until we find latest Microsoft Visual C redistributable version. And you can see this is the latest version. Now you will need to get the proper version for your architecture. And most probably you have the x64, but for older computers it may be x86, or for some very new computers it may be ARM64. So it's worth checking it so we don't cause any conflicts. Just go to settings, then go to system, scroll all the way down to about, and now you'll find system type. And in my case it says x64, so I need to get the x64 version. If you have ARM64, get the version for that, and if it says x86, which is going to be 32-bit here, then get that. Now I'm going to get the x64, right? Let's open it, and now let's I already have it installed, so I'll uninstall it. I'm going to click on uninstall, then let's close it. I'm gonna reopen it now, and let's accept the license terms, then click on install. Now installation has went successfully, so I can close it. Try restarting the system, then you may want to open the app that caused the issue. If for some reason that problem still occurs, then you may need to run that app in compatibility mode, because that app may be written for some older systems and doesn't work properly on your modern Windows version. So I'm gonna do it on an example of Google Chrome. Of course, Google Chrome isn't an app that doesn't work on Windows 11, but I just don't have any app for an example, so I'm gonna use it. But you need to do it on the app that actually has the issue. So right click on the app icon, then go to properties, and then go to compatibility. Now enable run this program in compatibility mode 4, and here you can select the Windows version that the program was written for. And here is a little problem if you don't know what OS it was written for. You'll simply need to just try the first one, like the Windows 8, see if it works after applying it. If it still doesn't, try Windows 7 or Windows Vista with a certain service pack. For some reason there's no Windows XP, which is weird because I would expect it here. But you may also want to try using a compatibility troubleshooter here, and it's gonna do it automatically for you. And I believe that it should help you. I'm gonna disable the compatibility because I actually don't want it. I don't want to break anything with my Google Chrome. But if your app doesn't work, then you may want to try the compatibility mode. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.